What's up everyone, welcome back. Super excited to share this lesson with you guys, which is Iann Dior and 24kGoldn in collaboration, which is Mood, a nice song. We have to keep on third fret to match up exactly with the song and to make it super easy. Alright, just have a look at these four chord shapes, and I'm just gonna break down the small riff we have, which is actually the main thing for the song in a minute with full taps. Let's get started. First chord is the C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then we have an E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then you have a G, which is 3 2 open open 3 3. And then we have a nice chord. It's a D, which is mute mute open second third second. Now the chord progression, just know it goes throughout the whole song, will be C, then a E minor, then a G to a D, C C E minor, from the G to D. That's how it goes for the whole song. Now if you just have a look at the tab, the riff is actually based on this. I like to combine the riff on this chord shapes, and you guys can actually play this. This is super easy. So let's get started. Have a more closer look. Oh no, this is okay. So we hold the C major chord, we do downstroke 2 down on the C major chord, and after that we play the third fret on the B string with the pick we have in the hand. So we got, then you have your index finger placed on the second fret, which is the E minor chord. But for this you don't play the full chord, you just have the second fret on the A string, and make sure with the index finger you have the D string muted. So you got the open E string, A string second, D string mute, open G, open B, and you have your pinky on the third fret of the high E string to get that little note over here. So you got, now play this chord twice. So we got, now the next we're just gonna move on to the G major chord. You play the G, so we play the G major chord. Then we move on to the shape. We play the G, 1 down. Then we play fifth frets with these two fingers still fixed over here on the high E string and B string. So you got, and then we just lift off your ring finger and slide from the high E string 5th fret to the 7th fret. Okay, so still now it's okay. And then we play the D major chord. Make sure that you only strum the D, G, B and the high E string. Make sure to keep the top 2 string muted. 2 downstrokes. So with the chords combined and the melody over here, it sounds super beautiful. So we got, now the next part, if you see, is exactly same. The same thing is going. The only change is in the D major chord. We don't play the D right now. We don't do 2 downstroke on the D at the end, but instead we finish that note over here. So we had an F sharp over here right now, but this time we're ending with an A. So it's basically, I'm playing it like this. You can just play this note single if you find that a bit hard shape. But what I'm basically doing is I'm having it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7th fret on the D, 7th fret on the G, 7th fret on the B, and my index on the 5th fret of the high E string, and doing 2 downstroke, starting from the D string till the high E string. So nice and easy. So the second part will be same, exactly same. And instead of playing the D over here, you're just gonna play it. Now I'm just gonna play it a couple of more times, but before that, if you just want to strum the chords, you can just do that. You can just do 4 downstroke on each chord, and that will be enough for the whole song. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 chord progression. Nice and easy. Now let's play that at the end for a couple of times and end the video. Have a lot of videos to today. Music Fridays, so lots of new stuff coming out today. Make sure to subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible, and I'm trying my level best to reach at that level. So let's get started. 1 2 3 4. take over here. I just want to play it a bit fast. And that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys back in the very next video. Till then, bye.